service with ace in my system. Through subs at the throne, boy, do not play the victim. Not quite the switch up y'all had in mind. I know how blessed I am to serve, I feel so damn aligned. But please do be advised, this ain't what you want. Trapping out of KCs, I'm never ducking the smoke. They only show up if their ego gets stroked. No need to provoke, I'ma get to my spot like I seen it before. Game reps, blockchain, no rain checks. These ain't the same specs, you cop more, you pay less. So focus, I can't stress the only limitations in the mind. To whom this may apply, you not a threat to none of mine. Build and provide, that is the oath. I lack of ownership, it's not your growth. Who run it, my boy, act like you know. Earl bought the 850 through the simmer runs. Out the trunk, it ain't the label we depending on.
In a major way, we always go function. Whip the work inside and go flood. That's the price, and no, I'm not budging.
If they hate me, they can't be trusted, that's all.
Trying to come in peace, got labeled a beast. It's well within my reach. This hardly is my peak. Peep the technique. Focus on your weakness. I'll lead with talent has no value to entitled souls. I'd rather run through blues than sit by and scroll. No shots, just preference. Pray for the desperate. Whipped it and pressed it. Heavy starch. Before you get creased, please play your part.
In a major way, we always go function. Whip the work inside and go flood. That's the price, and no, I'm not budging.
If they hate me, they can't be trusted, that's all.